I'm Panty when it comes to VR headsets. I'd say I'm something of a veteran, just look at my rhythm game skills. I've tried everything from Pico Neo 2 to Quest 2, PSVR 2 headsets, and even Apple Vision Pro over the years. Lately, I picked up another Pico 4 Ultra headset. It's clear that beyond gaming-focused titles, all-in-one headsets are heading toward Mr. 2 hybrid modes, like Color Tosher Space Video, Mr. 2 Games, and more of that sort. So this Pico Ultra, which costs just 1/7 of Vision Pro during Double 11, how is the experience? For me personally, the top use for this is still gaming, especially motion sensing games, of course. For someone like me who hates going out, hitting the gym is a hassle, but working out with this is fun and easy.
Let's try game then. It's a silver life garden. Also inside, it feels like cyberpunk, like I just stepped into my city. That neon-lit dystopia vibe. Let's just play a card then. When playing, there's zero lag, it feels super smooth, controls are solid, and the visuals pack a strong immersive punch.
A few years back, I made a video reviewing motion sensing games now. The Pico 4 Ultra has fixed all those pain points I mentioned before. No pressure on the eyes, and the controller tracking is smooth and way more stable now. Of course, beyond motion sensing games, the variety of other game types is rich now too. I totally get you, y'all. Simon Bros, let us play this. I'm swarmed by classical beauties.
How could you pick? You just fainted, huh?
That feels a bit shy, you know, huh? It feels like they're right in front of me, you know? Not like the usual view we get from just a regular screen. That's for sure.
That was just now.
They seem right in front of me, feel so real.
Drink it while hot.
Made me want to step back a bit. Besides these classic VR games, Mr. Experiences are a key part of this Pico 4 Ultra as well. The standout feature is that it breaks free from full virtual worlds, blending game scenes into the real one instead. Just to play a game of desktop TD right there on the table in front of you. Or build a virtual tennis table in your room, the balls bounce and physics feel super realistic. The best part, we don't have to chase and pick up balls now. Sure, streaming PC VR games has improved now. AV1 video codec is supported, and decoding lag is lower than before. Stream Alex for VR experience now feels quite close to that of a wired setup. VR 或者是 All along, the top issue that's plagued both vendors and users is comfort when wearing them. The display module has some weight already, not to mention the battery. Luckily, the Pico 4 Ultra is lightweight, aiming to be light without losing stability. The battery is placed at the back, so it sits balanced on your head and face. Once you switch to that big magnetic mask, you can just wear your glasses on top. Lately, I've been gaming hard with this thing on, and the comfort for long wear has improved a whole lot, for sure. Light and steady, no nose or head pinch. But here, I just want to give everyone a gentle reminder to protect our eyes. It is best to take a break every half hour and then keep going. In terms of structure, there are 4 environmental tracking cameras here, and the 2 in the middle are 32MP color through cameras with quad pixel tag. So the actual see-through view is 8 million pixels. If the font isn't too tiny, you can still read your phone screen fine for calls or notifications that pop up. This is the depth sensing camera. The Mr. game shown earlier runs on these sensors working together to enable stable tracking. In terms of display specs, each eye gets 2160x2160 resolution, and screen brightness has improved a lot over the previous model. The visuals are quite immersive too. Recording like this just doesn't do it justice. You've got to actually wear it to feel that sensation. The optics use a pancake lens in real-world use. Compared to my PSVR 2 with Fresnel lens, the sweet spot is way bigger now. When playing table tennis or games needing big movements, you won't need to pause and adjust your headset much. This new controller feels much lighter, with that ring of lights removed. It is easy to hold. It has a HyperSense broadband linear motor. Feedback is intuitive and clear. And if you don't want to hold the controller, hand tracking works just fine. High recognition rate and no random drifting issues to speak of, really. The hardware specs here are just top-notch, man. Its Mr. capabilities go beyond just playing games, you know, as well. First, let's talk about this connectivity. It can just pop your PC and phone screens right into that space up ahead. Real-world desks are too small, but in Mr. Space, you can do whatever you want now. And regular phone apps can run in windowed phone too. Just imagine having a whole bunch of windows and screens spread out right in front of you like that. A true surround experience, no screen switching, just gaze where you please. And the Mr. perspective helps avoid that typing time warpy feeling after use. Typing on a keyboard or mousing around won't require pure guesswork either. Or you could just zoom in on that one screen, zoom in some more. And now it's even bigger than my 85-inch television at home. Watching movies on that big screen still feels pretty stunning. The built-in Pico video app has tons of VR video clips, like sites you've never seen before, all from your couch, in first person, fully immersive views and such. After all these years, the experience with these all-in-one devices has improved so much more comfortable, easier to use, and the visual immersion has jumped way up too. For games, especially those fitness and sports ones, they're well worth trying just what folks like us stuck at desks really need these days. That's cyber wellness, since I mostly use it for gaming and watching stuff. There are lots more features I haven't used much, so didn't mention, like turning 2D photos into space photos and such stuff. Just figure it out once you get it, folks. And right now on JD, you can use JD Buy Tail for 6 interest-free installments. Double 11 is great, cheapest time to buy. So here's to Pico, keep going. May I live to see game worlds as rich as Sword Art Online someday. Alright, that's all for this video then. See you in the next one. And goodbye for now, folks.